Hi, this is Karthik from Design School by WPAlgorithm.com. In this video, I want to talk about some of the last Black Friday or Cyber Monday extended deals that you can get your hands on in the WordPress space. Starting with number one, which is Elementor Pro. Again, this whole channel is all about WordPress and Elementor in itself is a platform which can build your WooCommerce pages, your account page, your cart page, your products page, your whole website, your header, footer, and the features are getting added on a weekly basis. So now is the time to invest in Elementor Pro. Links to everything that I talk about will be in the description, and Elementor doesn't usually offer discounts on Elementor Pro. So now is the right time. Get Elementor Pro if you don't have it. It's an investment worth your every penny. The second one that I want to talk about is called Dynamic Content Plugin for Elementor by Dynamico. Well, I've made quite a lot of tutorials on this plugin, and it really empowers your Elementor websites and enables you to do more like PDF generation. It helps generate a lot of dynamic tokens and makes your website a whole lot powerful. And this is again a must have for all those who have Elementor Pro, and you need to enter the code BLACKWEEK21. Don't forget that during the checkout so that you can get this discount, and link to this will be in the description. And the third plugin is WPForms. Now, if you're in the WordPress space looking for a comprehensive form builder with conditional logic, conditional validation, user polls, forms, forums, and a ton of all those, this is the best forms plugin to get. WPForms, again, this is valid only for few days, and check out each of the link on when it's going to expire. And the next one is Crocblock. Now, these are basically set of plugins. Again, I have tutorials on each of them, and they enable you to create custom post types, custom fields. You can create your own product grids and a whole lot more using Crocoblock. Again, it's going to expire in 1 day, and you need to enter the code BF Crocblock 2021. And you can also purchase lifetime subscription for all of the plugins for unlimited websites, which is a great deal. And the next deal I want to talk about is WPVivid. Now, as you all know, WPVivid free plugin itself is feature packed, but with the pro version, you also can backup and migrate your website to another site. You can have staging, you can white label the stuff, and a whole lot more. And again, they're offering up to 40% off. It's going to expire real soon. So this is the code that you need to enter. I'll leave all the codes and the relative stuff in the description. Don't forget to check out the description. They also have lifetime subscription which you can get if you're willing to invest in this plugin, which is again a good plugin. The next one is Unlimited Elements. Unlimited Elements are just famous for their widgets and widget creator. You can create any widget from the scratch using the widget creator, or you can use the built-in widgets using Unlimited Elements Pro. Widget creator is available in the free version. Again, if you want more templates, more widgets, you can get the pro version, which is an added bonus. And the final deal that I want to talk about is the Astra Bundle. Astra Ultimate add-ons, all of them are made by the same developer called Brainstorm Force, and you can see that they have up to 40%, 50% off on ton of plugins, and you can get the Essential Bundle, which includes Astra Pro, and you can get unlimited add-ons for Elementor, and you have a ton of other advantages and benefits as well. Again, links to everything will be in the description. Get your hands on these plugins as soon as possible. Some of them are going to expire in 12 hours, some of them in a few days. I'll leave links to everything in the description. Check them out. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.